proved that you fight well. Now you can join us.
Keep cut sequence. Wake up, check your phone. Ignore the alarm. You're still alone. Wake up, rewind the night. Who are you? But also kind of who am I?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha, and for today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys my 4 most favorite face packs, homemade natural face packs. And these face packs are ones which are tried and tested, जो मैंने regular basis पे use किया है. So I know these will definitely work for all your skin problems. Also, just giving a background on my skin, I have a very sensitive skin. If these face masks work for my skin, they will definitely work for your skin. Also, I can guarantee that these face masks will show a result in just one time. So if you guys want to know what these face packs are, please keep watching. So the first face pack which we'll be making is gonna be for suntan and pigmentation. So इसका major objective will be to lighten and brighten the skin. Lighten as in not lighten the skin tone but lighten the pigmentation on your face. So ये face pack मैं बहुत use करती थी when I was in college because तब मेरा skin बहुत ज़्यादा tan हो जाता था. मतलब week में if you use it twice you'll definitely see a difference. So for this face pack we'll require curd and will require tomato juice या tomato pulp. So basically मैंने tomato को कद्दूकस करके ये juice या pulp जो भी बोलो निकाल लिया. And we'll be requiring a little bit of lemon juice. So I'll take 1 tablespoon of curd, 1 tablespoon of the tomato juice and then a squeeze of lemon juice. And I'll mix it all together and then apply it on your face. Now try to keep this face pack on your face for at least 25 to 30 minutes. Also ये face pack can be used on your hands and legs जहाँ भी suntan हो and it will definitely work. So the next face pack which we'll be making is gonna be for oily and acne prone skin. So मुझे उतना acne problem नहीं होता because my skin is more on the drier side, but my sister has really acne prone skin and she has been using this face pack religiously for like days now, and she has definitely seen a difference in her acne problem. So for this face pack we'll be requiring Fuller's Earth or Multani Mitti. So I got this Fuller's Earth as like a stone and you just have to keep it in water for like a minute or 2 and it will dissolve automatically and it will look something like this. Next thing you require is a little bit of rose water, like about 1 tablespoon, and then a pinch of turmeric or haldi. And we'll mix it all together and our face pack is ready. If you guys have very oily skin and get pimples a lot, you can definitely give this mask a try. So this third face pack is gonna be for us dry skin people. Now dry skin can be a pain because you get to see like smile lines and then dry cracks around your face and your eyes, and it just doesn't look good. So this face pack definitely works on those factors, so you can try it out. And this is a very mild face pack, so you can use it like 2 to 3 times a week and you will see a difference for sure. So for this face pack we are going to be requiring some besan. So we'll be taking around 1 tablespoon of besan. Then we'll be taking 1 good tablespoon of malai. Malai is like the prime factor in this face pack. Next I'll be taking around half to 1 tablespoon of honey because honey also has very good antibacterial properties and has a lot of healing properties as well. And then lastly I'll be adding a little bit of rose water to this face pack and then mix all of this together and your face pack is ready. Now since this face pack has a lot of moisturizing elements, तो ये बहुत जल्दी dry नहीं होता, so keep this face pack on for like 20 to 30 minutes and that is enough. When it's like semi dry, just rub your face and then wash off your face and you're good to go. So the last face pack, but definitely not the least, is this Suntan face pack. It reduces pigmentation, it makes your skin look bright and very glowy, and it's just a very like all-rounder face pack which you can use for all your skin problems. So without further ado, let's see how to make it. So first of all we'll be requiring these 4 ingredients. So first I'll be taking some dahi or curd. So I'll be using 1 tablespoon of curd. Next I'll be adding around half to 1 tablespoon of honey to it. Next, after adding honey, I'll be taking 1 tablespoon of besan. Besan is like the most important ingredient in this face pack. After adding besan, lastly I'm gonna be adding like just a little bit of lemon juice to this face pack. Now I'll give all of this a good stir, mix it really well, and our face pack is ready. It's just a really good face pack, so definitely try it out. So these were my 4 top most favorite face packs, and I'm sure these will show amazing results for your skin. If you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you soon. Bye.